3, 2, 1, and
Oh my God, there's a spider on here. Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Minnie. Tonight we're going to be staying in and I'm going to be showing my husband how to cook a steak for me.
Let's get started.
Here we have some butter, rosemary, sage, fresh garlic hearts. We like to use
Montreal.
seasoning. I like the spicy version and he likes the version. So we're gonna go ahead and rub up our steak and throw it on the pan.
This is how you massage a steak. Pass it in there.
Why are you whispering?
She doesn't like the way I do camera.
Fire up your pan because you're doing all the work.
Fire in the hole.
So you want to start off with a hot pan. Turn the fire on high and go ahead and put about 3 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil gets hot, just put 1 steak in there. Okay, once you put it in there, go ahead and use the handle of the pan, move it around so that the oil will go evenly. How do you like your steak cooked?
Medium.
And I like mine medium well. The rule of thumb of how I determine if my steak is cooked or not is filling it. The softer it is, the more rare it is. Because I can't really tell you how long to cook a steak. Sometimes you have a thicker steak and sometimes you have a thinner steak.
Or the muscle here between the index finger and your thumb finger. So when you close fist, pretty much that's when it's well done. You let go a little bit, medium, totally relax, that's a rare.
So you just go by feel.
Yes.
Got it?
Agreed.
Okay, so flip it. Look at that crust on there. So sexy. So what we're gonna do is take a garlic heart and cut it in half, like so, on the oil.
On the oil.
What you're doing right now is you're trying to infuse the oil with the garlic flavor.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the butter in for you. Put the sage in there. You got rosemary. And then you go ahead and bathe your steak with that amazing sauce that you just made. And let's feel the steak right now and see where we're at.
So
That feels like a medium.
that's
That's a medium.
medium.
So our red potatoes are done cooking. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna saute it.
Okay.
Okay? Because the potato is already cooked and we're just sauteing the flavors and combining the flavors.
Okay.
Yeah, so right now your heat should be at a medium high.
Do that.
Hot potato.
We're trying to get some color out of this, or?
Yeah, can you see the color?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty.
Yes.
So beautiful.
No?
It's so beautiful. You smell that? Junior, you smell that?
Yeah, smells amazing.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe cut it.
Go ahead. I cook and you cut. That's perfect right there.
This looks bomb.
That's a perfect medium steak.
Here, since you cooked it, I'll feed you first. You want pepper on that?
Negatory. Spicy. How is it?
Good. Good job, Boo. Your steak is perfect. It has a really good crust, and it's juicy, it's flavorful, and bomb.
So I know how to cook steak. It's pretty good.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your night in. Till next time, stay hungry.
Stay hungry. Let's eat.
So from now on, it is your job to cook the steak.
When I cook, she's gonna clean.